Hello once again, everybody. 11:49, 36 seconds, March 12th. This is the drawing for the Hulk 182, 7.5 grade. Over here are the 21 filled spots. Okay, typo over here. Pardon me, I'm just going to correct this. I still typed it wrong. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. Alright, let's roll our 3 dice. Find this book a new home. Wow, the number is only 3. I'm going to randomize 3 times. The name at the top of the list at the end of the third roll will win the slab. Again, it will ship. Actually, it's going to ship on Thursday. I'm going to be on the road all day tomorrow. I just thought about that. So this will ship on Thursday. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, and here's the final one. 3, spot 12, My Sweet Adeline. You are an international participant. I will contact you with regards to the shipping cost. Time is 11:50 and 45.